Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to redeem a PayPal gift card. Let's get started. First, open a web browser, and it's better to do this on browser instead of PayPal app. Go to paypal.com and log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, tap the three lines in the top left corner and scroll down a little and you'll see Wallet under Rewards and tap on that. This will show all the cards and bank accounts currently linked to your PayPal. Now, tap a link a card or bank at the top. Then choose link a debit or credit card. Here, you'll be asked to enter your card details. If your PayPal gift card has a card number, expiration date, and CVV, just type them in. The same way you would for a regular debit or credit card. And double check your billing address and tap link a card. And once that's done, your gift card balance will automatically be added to your PayPal account. You can now use it for shopping, send money, or make online payments. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your PayPal gift card. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.